What if you could control your home appliances with just your phone? I'm using a React Native app to turn a fan and two light bulbs on and off in real time. This is not theory. This is a real-world smart home setup powered by ESP32, built for absolute beginners. Now, check this out. I'm switching to a web application on my PC. With one click, I can toggle 3 LEDs connected to my ESP32 on a breadboard. This is a simple interface that demonstrates how easy embedded systems and IoT can be when you combine the right tools. No advanced coding required, just clean, responsive control. Once this on the go, the same web application works perfectly on my mobile phone too. From anywhere, I can control these same LEDs, turning them on and off instantly. This shows how flexible and powerful IoT systems can be with ESP32 and web tech. So if you're into smart home projects, IoT, or just want to learn embedded system the easy way, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with fellow tech lovers. Please don't forget to like this video and drop your comments in the comment section below. Just drop your questions about this project and like this video, subscribe, and bye bye.